Ukraine war explosions in central Kyiv amid air raid warning. Ukraine's officials say that they shot down over a dozen drones during a Russian attack on the capital city of Kyiv early on Wednesday morning. Explosions rocked the central district as air defense shot down what were said to be Iranian-made Shahed drones. Russia has targeted Ukrainian energy infrastructure since October with missiles and drones, and Kyiv Governor Oleksiy accused Russia of continuing its energy terror against our country with the latest wave of drone attacks. But the National Energy Grid Manager said that Wednesday's strikes did not damage any energy facilities and hailed the brilliant work of the air defense forces in a post to its Telegram account. President said Ukrainian forces had shot down 13 Shahed drones, which he said amounted to all those launched by Russia on Wednesday. Governor said a drone fragment and hit an administrative office in the city and 4 residential buildings, but a spokesperson for the city emergency services told Ukrainian media that no victims had been reported. Once a victim said, "The rumble was like a mob, such was sound made. It felt behind the houses, then there is a strong car on explosions." Ukrainian has accused Iran of supplying Russia with kamikaze drones used in deadly attacks.